Okay, so this is my 1 year review of wearing a hair system. I cannot believe it's been a year. In some ways it feels like no time at all, but in other ways it feels like it's been forever, in a good way. Just before I get going, New Lacy are still offering this 20% discount. Head over to their website, NewLacyU20 in the coupon code box. It'll save you a lot of money, guys. It's a really good quality of customer service they give, but also at the same time you're getting a good quality hair system. One I'm actually holding right now. I'm going to talk about this in a little bit. So yeah, a whole year. As I said earlier, sometimes it feels like it's been no time at all. Other times it feels like now this is me, this has been me forever. Positives, it's given me so much more confidence in myself. And I hear this again and again and again from people who wear hair systems, because unlike with a hair transplant, you can actually get the density you want, you can get the base that you want, you can get anything you want from a hair system. Just ask and the manufacturer will do it for you. You don't really get the same results with the hair transplant, and that's why I'm a bigger fan of a hair system. On top of that, if you have a condition like trichotillomania, I know it's rare, probably most of you haven't heard of it. It's something that I've suffered with for 29 years, and having a hair system has virtually cured that condition for me. Trichotillomania, it kind of works by you pull your hair out because it gives you stress relief. I've been doing it since I was 3 years old. I had these big patches. I was going sort of really bald on top. I think part of it was genetic as well. Actually, I'm going to share some photos now so you can have a look, see what it was like. And yeah, I mean, basically, since then, it's been completely different for me. I have no urge to pull out my hair anymore because it's not my hair. I don't get that stress relief from it. I've taken up mindfulness, I've taken up meditation. Those kind of things have replaced that hair pulling. So, as you can imagine, it's been transformational for me. The confidence piece as well, guys, like anyone who wears a system will totally get this. It makes you feel more confident. You've got a full head of hair on you that you didn't have before. You're more confident around other people. You feel more confident in yourself. It really is a game changer. I can't emphasize that enough. I think probably on the cons side of things, yes, there is the element that it can be time consuming, it can be expensive, especially time consuming. It can be time consuming if you basically try and do everything yourself, which is what I do, but it saves me money, that's why I do it. You know, it can take you a solid couple of hours to take off a system, clean it, put it back on again, or cut your hair if you need to. I actually do that myself. I do a bit of a skin fade on the sides. I will do a tutorial on that because I think that people might find that quite helpful. And it can be expensive if you go to salons every couple of weeks to get it done. So I suppose those are the cons. Also, the initial month, it can feel kind of uncomfortable wearing the thing. It feels like you're wearing a rug on your head. You effectively are. Or a cap, and you just want to take it off. Sometimes it can itch. But in time, you kind of adjust to that and it doesn't really bother you as much. So anyone who's within their first couple of months of wearing a system, stick with it. Those side effects will calm down. So I also wanted to briefly talk about the next system I'm going to be wearing. I do like to vary it up a little bit. This one's 5 months old. It's still got quite a lot of mileage in it actually, but I was just feeling that I wanted a change. So I'm going with, this is from New Lacy, by the way, I'm going with a Swiss lace, not Swiss lace, what am I talking about? A French lace, which is slightly more sturdy than a Swiss. Probably slightly more detectable, but not massively. It also has a poly perimeter. Now, the reason I wanted to go for this was because I'd had a poly perimeter before, and I found that the tape I use, True Tape, really sticks well to the poly. It sticks much better to the poly than it does to a lace base perimeter. So I'm going to give this a try. I'm really excited about giving it a go. And I imagine that I'll probably get a decent lifespan out of this. We're talking sort of 5-6 months. As I always say, guys, really important to use a leave-in conditioner daily, twice daily if you can. Use a deep penetrating conditioner as well. I use silicone bamboo based on the recommendation of someone else. It's really fantastic at keeping that hair nourished. I use it about once a week, once every 2 weeks. And honestly, using those interventions will get you more life out of your system. So that's it for today, guys. That's my 1 year review. In summary, the decision I took to wear a hair system has absolutely revolutionised my life for the better, and it has for literally thousands of other guys and women. So if you're on the fence and you're thinking about it, how about giving it a go, seeing what you think, giving it 6 months. If it's not for you, fine. If it is for you and it changes your life, amazing. So if you're enjoying my content, please do hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, please give it a like, share it if you found it helpful, and I'll speak to you very soon. Bye for now.